Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the password from Excel sheet. So if you have forgotten the Excel sheet password, then with the help of this video you can unprotect that Excel sheet and make the necessary changes without use of third-party software. So let's get started. First, open Excel file on your computer. So we are going to create a blank Excel file first. Now just enter the data in the Excel file. So this is just a test Excel file that we are going to try to remove the password. Now to protect this Excel sheet, we are going to right click on this sheet 1, then click on protect sheet. Now here it will ask to enter the password. So simply I am going to enter the password as 321 and then click on OK. Now the Excel will ask me to re-enter the password. So just enter the password again and then click on OK. So now this Excel sheet is protected. Now if I try to remove any details, it will say the cell or chart they are trying to change is an protected sheet. To make the change, unprotect the sheet, you might be required to enter the password. So that means the now sheet is protected and we cannot make any changes without the password. Now let's save this file first. So I'm going to save this on my C drive and let's call it as sample. Now I have saved this file, so let's close this file first. Now I'm opening the location where I have saved this file. Okay, so this is the file sample.xlsx and it is password protected. Now to remove the password from Excel sheet, what we need to do is to change the extension of this Excel file from xlsx to .zip. Now if you cannot see the extension of the file, then simply go to view and then check this checkbox file name extensions. So when you check this check mark, the extensions of the file will start appearing. Now select the file and then press F2 to rename it. Now I'm going to change the extension to .zip. Press enter. You will get this message to rename. Just click on yes. And now our file extension has been changed to zip. So our previous file was sample.xlsx. Now it is showing as sample.zip. Now what we are going to do is we need to extract this zip file. So right click on the file and then select extract to sample. Okay, so our new folder is created. Open this folder and here you will find the different folders as Rails, doc props, Excel and one XML file. Open Excel folder. Now open worksheets and under here you will find sheet1.xml. Just right click on it and then click on edit. You can also open this file with the notepad. Now on this file we need to find the term as protection. So just press Ctrl F to find and then enter protection and click on find next. So as you can see this tag as sheet protection. So we just need to remove this tag. So select this tag carefully. Just click on cancel and now select this tag carefully. So sometimes this greater than and less than symbols also get copied, but don't worry, we'll add it up later. So once you select this tag, simply delete it. and then put the less than and greater than symbols. Now once done, click on Ctrl S to save this sheet1.xml. Now close this file. Now go up. In case there are multiple password protected Excel sheets, then you need to follow the same procedure for each sheet. So for example, you have 3 Excel sheets that are password protected. Then in the Excel folder under worksheet, you will find sheet1.xml, sheet2.xml and sheet3.xml. So you need to remove that tag from the each sheet and then you need to save that file. So simply you need to repeat the procedure for the each file. Now once done, now we have these 3 folders and one XML file. So we need to reverse the process now. So we need to select those files and then convert it to the zip file. So first select all these files, right click on it and then click on, if you have zip you can directly create a zip file, or else if you have WinRAR then you can click on add to archive, select the zip option and then click on OK. So this will create a sample.zip file. So select that file, click on F2 to remove the file name. Here we are going to change the file extension. So select the .zip, select zip and then change the extension to XLSX. Click enter. You will get the confirmation box. Just click on yes. And now we have this Excel file. So when we open this Excel file, you will find the same data. Now if I try to select any data and try to remove it, you can see that I can change the file now. And there is no need to enter the password as well this time. That means now this Excel sheet is now unprotected. We have removed the password from background. So that way you can make any changes to the Excel sheet if you have forgotten the password of that Excel sheet. So that was a short tutorial on how to remove the password from Excel sheet. If you find the video helpful, then please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.